Experience the electric fireplace that changes everything. The Inception from Simplifire. With an amazing visual display of flickering flames, it creates an authentic experience you'd expect from any fireplace, thanks to digital spark technology. You'll create a safe and relaxing retreat with true-to-life flames, hand-painted logs, and glowing LED embers. Easily run the Inception using the Simplifire app, remote control, or voice commands with smart technology. You can adjust the heat, brightness, and timer remotely. There's even a thermostat setting. Installing the Inception is very simple, as no gas line or venting is needed. You can build it into your wall with a thin profile that hardly takes up floor space, or choose the optional Wescott mantel kit for a built-in look. No need for construction. Inception is the future of electric fireplaces, here now.